हेलो फ्यूचर मेडिकोज, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप लोग? दिस इज विकास भारती हियर, फाउंडर एंड सीईओ ऑफ प्लान एडू एंड फ्यूचर मेडिको. Well, Happy New Year to all of you. I'm sure you people had a lot of fun, and unlike other years, this year also all of you are making good plans, new plans, and the ones which will bring success and prosperity for you. वेल उससे पहले हमारे बहुत सारे नीट यूजी एस्पिरेंट्स जो कि नीट लिखने वाले हैं फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड attempt wise also in 2026. Plan Edu and Future Medico has organized a information series in which we will be giving you proper data and counseling guidance for different stages through our YouTube channels, through our Insta handles. You people can reach us out, post that, and if you have any kind of doubt, we will definitely try to resolve it at the best of our understanding. So to start with, आप एग्जाम लिख तो रहे हो, but you should know कि how many people are actually appearing for it. So let me pull through the data for you. Internet has it, but sometimes it's not exact and sometimes you cannot rely on it. So 2020, the registered candidates were 15,97,435, approximately 16 lakh students registered in 2020. The number of candidates appeared was about 13.5 lakh. The people who qualified were about 7,70,000, and the percentage of qualification was about 56.44. In the year 2021, the total number of students who registered, who actually applied for NEET UG, were 16,15,000 approximately, and the number of students who actually appeared post that were about 15,44,275. People who could qualify it as per NMC, as per MCI those days, were about 8,70,074, which was 56.34% of the total number of students who actually appeared the examination. In the year 2022, 18,72,343 students actually registered, but 17,64,571 students could only reach the exam center to write the exam, out of which 9,93,069 students could only qualify, which sums to 56.28% of the total. Well, in the year 2023, this number jumped to 20,87,462, and people who actually appeared the exam were 20,24,390, with which only 11,45,976 students qualified, which was 56.61%. Number to be shocked about. In the year 2024, 23,81,833 students registered for the examination, out of which 23,33,297 students appeared the examination, with which only 13,16,268 students were declared qualified, which sums to 56.41%. In the year 2025, 25,50,000 students registered, 24,80,000 students could only reach the centers, and 14 lakh students could actually qualify with a qualifying percentage of 56.50. Well, 2026 में this is expected to be around 28 lakhs, 27 to 28 lakhs, and number of students who would be actually writing the exam can be around 27-26 lakhs. The number of people who would be qualifying it will be around 15 lakhs. So the numbers are going to be very high. Be prepared for it, and all the best. Kindly reach our counselors, and I've also shared all this data in the link. Kindly go through and let us know if our team can help you. All the best.